You can wake up with a clearer mind and a more energized body just by tweaking your morning coffee routine. Let me explain. It all started when I stumbled upon this gelatin trick that's been gaining traction, where people add a spoonful of gelatin to their coffee. At first, I thought it was just another fad, but the more I looked into it, the more sense it made. The gelatin trick is all about harnessing the power of gelatin to improve digestion and boost energy levels, and it's surprisingly simple. As I started experimenting with the gelatin trick, I noticed that my morning coffee was not only tastier but also more refreshing. The gelatin seemed to be doing its job, helping my body absorb all the nutrients from my diet, and I felt more alert and focused throughout the day. My friend, who's also into the gelatin trick, swears by its ability to reduce bloating and improve skin health. The gelatin trick is all about finding that balance and making the most of your daily rituals. To learn more about how to incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine, check out the link in my description below for a detailed walkthrough. If you have any questions or want to share your own experience with the gelatin trick, head to the pinned comment section and let's get the conversation started.